Hello guys, welcome back to this video of Brantley Baldino's channel. So today I'm gonna be drawing Among Us Skid and Pump. So in the Goss video, which was a recent video, my Brantley make a goes in there, and he also said that there's a Skid and Pump drawing. So he told me that I'll do the Among Us kind of Skid and Pump, and let's do it. So it's easy, so I don't need to copy. Okay, so first you need to draw a pumpkin. Okay, so make a circle here, and a circle here, and another curved circle, and another one, and done. And now put a circle in here and put a rectangle on top of him that is facing a top. Okay, and then you need to make a line here and make a line here on that line and put this line up a little bit, and then make this part, put this line down, put this line probably in the left, and make this line go there up. It's hard to explain, so I need to say that. Make the bag going to the pumpkin, easy, and make a triangle part here because that's his white clothes and this is the black clothes. So I'm not gonna waste my ink. I'm gonna use the black color, and I'll make this part and the circle here, and do this oval, a half oval, a curved oval, and make the bag over here. So this is not his legs. Okay, and then let's put this liner here. I told it probably looks like it. Like first, we need to color this so it doesn't look like a legs, the part of the legs. So first, we need to put green, of course. There. Now it doesn't look like that. Whatever I called it. And then now let's make this part and this part and another part of this. Another part of this. It's supposed to be a skeleton part. Yeah, he's a skeleton. Not really. It's just a costume. Skeleton costume. And this is also a costume. So that's true. Now let's color Pump. Now let's get the orange thingy color. Make the dark and make it darken here, because I see other recent videos they make a dark color on top of their head, so I won't complain about that. It's just easy. Okay, almost there. By the way, if you don't trust me that the pump and skid are just doing using a costume, you're supposed to search it in your phone. It said skid and pump without costumes. And if it's right, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell. Okay. Now let's make a light part in here. It almost looked like the Among Us, the other recent video. It's probably older. How many months is that? I think 2 months ago. I think. Yeah, it is. Or 3. Okay, I just didn't watch his videos because I'm a new toy. So I think Green is gonna like this video. probably he wouldn't. But if he did, I'm shocked. Really. Color it. Okay. Okay, almost there. By the way, I'm really doing a good job. Brantley's gonna see this and then it's gonna be cool. Almost ruined it, but it's okay. Okay, now the light part. Let's put the circle there. Boom, easy. So there's this part. Okay. Right, first, that's something I forgot. Now let's continue with our journey drawing. Now let's use the black marker crayon. Of course, shade this. Okay, it's almost difficult. And by the way, I don't know what's really the real name of Skid. I think that's really his real name. But also, guys, can you comment down below who did that? I mean, sorry, I'm just joking. This is for kids again. Okay, so guys, I think the father of Skid and Pump is Lemon Demon, just because it makes sense. They like spooky months, right? And Lemon Demon is spooky, right? And of course, you know, his father's gonna be Lemon Demon, and it had to be. Anyway, let's continue. So if you agree, don't forget to like, subscribe, and the bell. Okay, now finish. Now go back to the baggie. Anyways, I just think about that now. Anyways, let's just go right into it. There. Now probably, I don't know if I'm gonna put the black in here or I have to leave this part alone because they use like a glove. Yeah, it makes sense because in the video they had white hands and the nothing is only white. I mean, you can't only have white hands. I mean, probably the master hand from Super Smash Bros is white. By the way, he just used gloves. Okay, I don't know why, but I'm into it. Anyways, color this. Okay, I'm gonna color it later. So now we'll do the eye of Skid. Okay. Okay, so I'm supposed to make a smiley face, but it's okay though. It still looks cool, by the way. Pump looks cool. I think Pump's name is not really real because look, Pump. They just name him Pumps because there's a pumpkin on his head. But I think that his real name is not like Pump. That would be weird if they name him Pump. Because if he named him Pump, of course he need to be a pumpkin. Not really, it's because he need to be a pumpkin. Whatever. Just couldn't make sense. I'm thinking, what's his name? Luca. Oh no, by the way, that's a new movie. Okay, and of course check it out. It's so sad and cool. Sad and cool at the same time. Okay, this is the ballpen place. Duh. Okay, I always do those things and I'm just trying to stop messing around. But that's my thing, messing around. Not really now. But I'm already back at messing around. Okay, now leave this pattern white. It's because right skeletons is white, and how you have like a costume that there's only bones in there. And there's no kind of skeleton costume of that, so that's why you put black in. Wood don't make sense. Okay, almost finished. Oh, look at it. Looks cute and adorable. And it looks like that they like each other, love each other. Of course not love. I'm just joking about the love. Now let's get pencil. Oh wait, first the markers. Okay, so you need to make a line here and make a line here again there, and now shade it, of course. Okay, I'm trying to shade it. Come on. Okay, barely can see it, so I'm just gonna leave it alone as white marker. Don't know why. Okay. There. Probably put it there. There. Okay, so, and by the way guys, I think there's a corruption drawing of this one, so make sure you like and subscribe and the bell. So see you guys later to the next video. Brantley, ZANE, Baldino. Bye! Yay!